What's up, guys? Welcome back. Road to the 2 Comma Club. Today is November 28th, and I'm about to log in. The markets were doing pretty well this morning. The futures were up, so it's like already 10:38. I think I just mentioned that, but I'm logging in right now. So let's see how we're doing. Oh crap! All right, we're down another couple grand, so that kind of sucks. Our open orders are still there, so it looks like none of those calls have fallen down to that level, which is good news, because I really don't want to get out of these positions. But let's see what's happening here. Oh wow, Square finally is up 30% right now, even though I thought they were down this morning in terms of stock. But yeah, so that's awesome. And Tesla is up a little bit, Microsoft, so not really anything too fantastic. A lot of calls haven't moved yet. Universal Display is getting killed. Damn it. Alright, that sucks. And man, that Bitcoin one is up. It's just been on fire. Even paying that premium, we would have made a lot of money. Jesus. Oh man. I should look into picking some up because I don't know how to acquire actual Bitcoin. I'm so annoyed right now, but Roku is up 10%. That is awesome. I know we have a call with Roku. Oh, is it up? And it's not up. So that's really interesting. Where is it? I'm looking at oh, here it is. Okay, so Roku hasn't moved yet, so that's going to be pretty interesting to see if this does anything. I can check the bid and the ask price real quick, and in fact, let me do that now. I'm going to hit pause. So it looks like the bid is $16.30, so up like about 70 cents from the current price, and then the ask is $18.80. So hopefully if someone, this call though that I have right now is pretty deep in the money by now. It's $9 into the money. I don't know how many people would be buying this, which would probably make sense why this isn't moving, because there's probably no volume. I'm wondering if I should sell this now while I can and then get a new one. I really don't know. Comment below what you think would be the best strategy for this, even though it might be a month before you see this. I'll make my decision, but comment below if you think it's a good one. So I really do appreciate that. And anyways, let's go back to the watch list just to take a quick peek. We got Square finally coming back up, so that was awesome, because they were actually down pre-market today, so it looks like they've made a turnaround. So that is awesome, and then Netflix is up too, so we got some good ones that are up. Groupon is up, doing very well. Holy crap, Groupon, check them out. They've been doing pretty well lately. Let's look at their 1 year. Because you know Groupon has been struggling for a while, but it looks like starting in June, they've been making a nice little comeback. So that is awesome. Their 52-week high, check that out, is today. So that is really cool, and I'm pretty sure we own call options with them. So there you go. Check it out. Groupon, they're up 5%. So we got 20 calls with them, and so they're up 5% today. We're up $100 with them. Not a crazy amount, but that's still pretty cool, because our strike is $7. I think we could do it. Anyways, I don't want to show too much. The market just kind of opened, so no point in spending too much time now. But I have to tutor a couple kids today, and so I might not be filming the last clip until later tonight. But yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on things and see. Hopefully we come back to even today. But hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, welcome back. So it is 8 o'clock p.m. and we can see I'll post a widget or a screenshot of how the stocks ended up for the day. Surprisingly, OLED finished up, and I was really happy about that because we were getting killed on that, but we actually still did. So let me show you how we did today. All right, so we did lose a little bit of money, but I am excited about Universal Display going back up at the last minute because, well, first let's talk about the winners. So we had Square making a really good comeback, up 31% after they dropped like 50% yesterday. And again, I'm talking about the options, not the actual stock. But the stock did do really poorly yesterday, but it did do well today, I believe. So yeah, so that kind of caused them to help us save a little bit of money today, unless a lot of these guys didn't move. And you can see Universal Display still finished down, probably not much volume being traded at this exact call that I have. So after it dropped, I guess maybe no one was buying it or selling it again, so it kind of stayed there. But I did check the bid and ask price, and the bid was like at over $42, like I forget what it was, 42 something. So I might be looking to sell this depending on what happens the next week or so. But if it went up today, so even though the call went down, maybe it'll go up some more. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do a little bit of research to see if I can figure out why maybe people aren't buying this particular call. Maybe it's too expensive. Maybe something with the Delta or Vegas, I don't know. Maybe something with the Greeks is causing it to not be a desirable call to buy. I don't know because I'm still learning, so I'm going to try to research that and see. But if you do know, if you do have a good idea, please comment in the comment section below. I'd appreciate it, your input. So anyways, let's just move on here and look at the watch list. So the Bitcoin ETF thing, or whatever that is, it's just dominating right now, and I think I already mentioned that. But look at Square; they went up 3% today, so nice little comeback for them. And then yeah, Snap was up there, Snapchat. We have Groupon. I'm really excited about Groupon. They're still doing well. They're coming back. I'm really hoping they can make a comeback. And then we got some more stock. The stocks actually as a whole did well. So if it wasn't for Universal Display, we would have probably made money today. So I'm not really disappointed. The Dow finished up 255 points. The NASDAQ finished up 33 points. And so I'm happy with that. I don't care that I lost money today. I'm happy that the market is doing well. Because you can see all these other ones, we didn't really lose that much. Had this one finished even or up a little bit, we would have definitely made money today. So overall, I'm happy. And yeah, so let's just wrap this up. Okay, so in the news, the Dow had one of its best days since September. And even though North Korea had tested another ballistic missile, they haven't tested one in a couple of months, but they tested another one. But because of the tax reform bill getting one step closer to being passed, it got a vote 12-11 to move towards the Senate, I believe. And Bob Corker and some other guy, Ron Johnson or something, I forget, but they said that they'd be voting yes for the bill when they previously had said they were going to say no. So a lot of people are excited about that. And also the new guy who Trump is going to be appointing, Powell is his last name, to replace Janet Yellen as the Fed chair, head of the Fed, whatever they call it. He said he'd be staying the course as far as how things are going, maybe with interest rates and stuff like that. And I guess investors like that. So I want to double check that because I kind of paraphrased it. It's for the most part accurate, but so yes, the Dow did really, really well. And even though we lost money, it was mostly because of Universal Display, even though their stock actually went up. So I'm not really too worried about today. I'm excited about this week, the rest of this week, and I'm excited about the rest of the year and 2018. Really stoked, and we're going to leave it at that. So if you guys did like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you guys so much for watching. This has been one of my most fun years ever. And we got one more month left, but I'm so happy I started this vlog. It just makes me happy that you guys are interested in my journey and are learning a lot. That's my biggest awesome thing about this channel, is that you guys are learning, and a lot of you are making money, and I think that's so awesome. And so thank you guys so much, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and we will see you guys tomorrow.